Commercial properties benefit from consistent exterior upkeep, and Commercial Exterior Services Texarkana is a smart way to keep storefronts, offices, restaurants, and multi-unit buildings looking professional. From storefront exterior cleaning Texarkana TX to apartment complex washing Texarkana TX and parking lot pressure washing Texarkana TX, businesses rely on high-impact commercial power washing Texarkana TX to remove grime, grease, mildew, algae, dirt, and buildup. Building washing Texarkana improves appearance, supports property maintenance, and strengthens first impressions for customers throughout Texarkana TX, near downtown Texarkana TX, Nash TX, Wake Village, Texas, and surrounding communities seeking dependable exterior services in Texarkana TX. Roof surfaces collect black streaks, moss, algae, and organic buildup, making roof cleaning Texarkana one of the most valuable outdoor cleaning services Texarkana has to offer. A soft washing company, Texarkana Texas, can safely treat shingles and delicate roofing materials with low-pressure methods designed for algae removal Texarkana and mold and mildew removal Texarkana TX. Homeowners searching for roof cleaning Texarkana TX and roof and gutter cleaning near Red Lick TX often want a service that improves curb appeal cleaning Texarkana while helping extend roof life. Exterior Services Texarkana are especially important in humid seasons when stains and biological growth spread quickly across residential roofs. Driveways, sidewalks, and hardscapes often show the heaviest wear, which is why driveway cleaning Texarkana and concrete cleaning Texarkana remain in high demand. Pressure washing Texarkana is ideal for lifting oil stains, dirt, algae, tire marks, and discoloration from driveways, walkways, and slabs. Whether it is driveway pressure washing Texarkana TX, patio cleaning service Texarkana TX, or concrete surface cleaning Texarkana TX, surface cleaning Texarkana restores a brighter, cleaner finish. Property owners across Texarkana TX choose these exterior services Texarkana for safer, more attractive outdoor spaces. Concrete, pavers, and stone surfaces all benefit from routine pressure washing in Texarkana TX to reduce slippery buildup and improve overall appearance. Patios, porches, and entertainment areas deserve the same level of care as the rest of the property, and patio cleaning Texarkana helps keep these spaces inviting. Whether homeowners need patio cleaning service Texarkana TX for concrete, pavers, brick, or stone, professional surface cleaning Texarkana removes embedded dirt, mildew, algae, and staining. Brick cleaning Texarkana and concrete cleaning Texarkana are also ideal for restoring outdoor sitting areas that have become dull or slippery. In Texarkana TX, pressure washing in Texarkana TX is often used to renew these high-traffic spaces before holidays, parties, or real estate showings. Clean patios instantly improve usability, appearance, and overall curb appeal cleaning Texarkana. Property owners throughout the region want local service coverage, and exterior cleaning near Wake Village TX plus power washing near Nash TX make it easier to keep homes and businesses maintained beyond central Texarkana. From residential exterior cleaning Texarkana TX in suburban neighborhoods to commercial exterior cleaning Texarkana near high-traffic business corridors, service demand continues to grow. Exterior services Texarkana include house washing, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, window cleaning, driveway cleaning, patio cleaning, deck cleaning, fence cleaning, and building washing for nearly every property type. In Texarkana TX, routine exterior cleaning is one of the most effective ways to maintain value, improve appearance, and keep outdoor surfaces looking their best year-round. Siding collects dust, cobwebs, algae, and environmental residue, making siding cleaning Texarkana a core service for residential exterior cleaning Texarkana. A professional siding wash service Texarkana TX can safely clean vinyl, fiber cement, engineered wood, and painted exteriors using proven soft washing Texarkana methods. For homeowners needing stucco house washing Texarkana TX or brick exterior cleaning Texarkana TX, the right cleaning approach matters to avoid damage while still delivering visible results. Texarkana exterior cleaning helps remove green staining, mildew, and oxidation that dull a home's exterior. Exterior services in Texarkana TX are especially useful after storms, pollen season, or humid weather that leaves siding looking dirty and neglected. Windows and gutters are easy to overlook, but gutter cleaning Texarkana and window cleaning Texarkana are essential for both appearance and function. Gutter cleaning Texarkana TX clears leaves, twigs, roof grit, and debris that can block water flow and contribute to overflow issues. At the same time, window washing Texarkana TX improves brightness, clarity, and curb appeal for homes and commercial buildings alike. Many property owners in Texarkana TX combine gutter cleaning and window cleaning with house washing Texarkana for a complete exterior refresh. These exterior services Texarkana are especially valuable near tree-lined streets and established neighborhoods where seasonal debris quickly builds up on roofs, gutters, and glass.